Ganda ang view namin sa kabila. Gusto niyo makita? Sige. Hey! Panis!
Hi guys! Welcome back to Mark Sign.
Fly MJ talaga.
Fly MJ. Ano ba kasi
So, fourth days, guys, dito na kami ngayon sa Luna Park.
Yes, nakahanap kami ng
Hindi talaga ito may shutter to.
nakahanap kami ng spot. So, for those who will visit Sydney, Australia soon, so maybe you could consider this spot. So, nagsakay kami ng, ano yun babe?
Ng ferry from
Yes.
Circular Quay.
It's only,
Tap.
look! It's amazing, that one.
Oh, yeah.
Parang speedboat. Anyway,
And ito yung view, guys.
yes. Go. So, you can,
Diba?
yes. Yes. So, hi guys, you can get a glimpse of
So, yun,
the
guys.
Opera House and the bridge. So, you can take a photo like this. Go babe, puppet, your picture. Boom.
May edit kaya?
Yon.
Ayun guys, so from Circular Quay, sakay lang kayo sa Wharf 5
Yes.
na
And
papuntang Luna Park. Ganun lang guys. Ganun lang kasimple. Okay? Bye-bye.